Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to add your lifetime card to Apple Wallet in 2025. If you're someone who loves managing cards digitally for quick access, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your device is up to date. We're talking about iOS 19 or later, which Apple released in 2025, so head to your Settings app, go to General, and tap Software Update to ensure everything's current. This step is crucial because older versions might not support the new lifetime card features. Once you're all set, open the Apple Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch. It's that iconic wallet icon on your home screen. Now, tap the plus button in the upper right corner to add a new card. You'll see options for various card types. Select Other or Lifetime Card if it's listed, depending on the update. Next, you'll need to scan or manually enter your lifetime card details. If you have a physical card, use your camera to scan the QR code or barcode. Apple Wallet makes this seamless with its advanced recognition tech. Follow the on-screen prompts to verify your information, which might include entering a PIN or using Face ID for security. After verification, review the card details and tap Add to complete the process. Your lifetime card will now appear in your wallet, ready for use with Apple Pay or other integrations. Pro tip: if you run into any errors, like compatibility issues, double-check your card's eligibility on the official Lifetime website and restart your device. And that's it, you've successfully added your lifetime card to Apple Wallet, making payments and access a breeze in 2025. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.